These animals are illegal, deadly, and sold in the middle of Bangkok. I walk into a market where you can touch snakes, scorpions, and stuff that probably shouldn't be legal. One wrong move and you lose a finger. No one talks about this place, but I will. Some of these creatures are banned in other countries. Here they keep them in small boxes ready to go. And yeah, we even found the forbidden section. They told me to stop filming. I filmed everything. The whole thing felt like a real-life black market. If you want to see what happened when we went deeper, well, let's just say I had to blur some stuff. But in the YouTube video you can see the forbidden animals. Go check it out. I have never seen anything like this. Comment down below what do you think was the wildest animal that I found there. You might be surprised actually. And that's why